Hey everyone, it's been far too long since the last video. I think it was what, December, January, winter break adventures when we found Rayla. Well, I just wanted to put something together to show you what we've been up to because we are starting over.
It's like we're starting, but we're actually finally finishing.
We're starting, but we're actually finishing. That is right. As you know, we spent all last summer camping to try to figure out what was gonna work, what wasn't gonna work, what we were gonna want, what we were gonna need. So that kind of changed a couple of things from our plan. And then we got Rayla, turning out to be not too large of a dog, which we're really thrilled about, but again, she's almost Duke size. So 3 large dogs traveling in here, which did definitely change our plans. There is now a shower behind the driver's side. Pretty exciting. There's a whole video on that. Chris is really upset that we're not gonna be able to make eye contact anymore when we're using the toilet. He's devastated.
Yeah,
devastated. Or that he's gonna have to like be kicked out at 2 o'clock in the morning. Tears. There is a storage compartment, which I completely have not walked right into. Can you see the dents? I don't think you can see the dents. Also in the shower video, he is starting the pull-out pantry. What?
You're pausing a lot.
Huh?
So you're pausing a lot.
I am pausing a lot. Pause too much, talk too fast. There's no winning with this guy. He is starting the pantry process. I don't know what's going on up there. I don't know what's going on anywhere. But I do know that this is gonna be the pull-out pantry. The fridge is now on the other side of the pull-out pantry. And we were gonna do a closet above the fridge, but because we were already feeling kind of like the enclosedness.
Make it upward.
The small space, we are going to just do like a whole counter space right here. So this will be like the little wet bar area, and then open area,
Open it up a little bit.
Yeah, open it up a little bit, and also just so it just feels better with the 3 dogs. The galley will be staying the same. Dinette area will be staying the same except for some small movement of pumps and pipes and such to increase our storage. Enjoy the few random clips I've put together since forever ago, just showing the random things we've gotten done. Shower video will be coming soon. So we were gonna go early this morning to get the lumber for the walls and ceilings and realized that it wasn't gonna fit.
No.
By
2 inches. I thought this was 4 feet, so that we'd be able to get plywood and stack it here, but it's 46 inches instead of 48. So the galley has to come out anyway, but
our flow is messed up.
our flow is definitely.
And now Chris is having second thoughts about the shower going there.
In the middle of the galley walkway.
Which, I mean, I'm okay putting it behind the seats if it needs to come out a little bit more. I think our rationalizing the fridge being here so we can reach into it from anywhere.
Which is nice, but with dogs.
Yeah. I mean, it might be better too, because then it won't, like, that won't be the first thing we see when we come in, because it gets so dirty so fast. But I'm okay with the bathroom being there. Apparently, our counter is wider than the average van counter.
Deeper. Anyway.
Deeper.
That's something people don't really talk about that much, is about how narrow, how they make narrow cabinets, narrow counters.
Yeah.
And ours is kind of a standard width with some minor trimming. But
I was obviously expecting the other counter, the one that was going to go back there with our dresser, to be not as deep, but I didn't realize this one was so much wider.
Well, even if that one's, if it's the same depth, based on the center of the dinette, it won't make that much difference because no matter what, it's still going to be shallower than the shower. It's whether you want this thing sticking out in the middle of your galley walkway, or you want this to be a little bit more open. I mean,
we're gonna be butt bumping no matter what, but we might need it just to be more open because of the dogs. That's our issue right now, is if we're trying to walk through and 2 of the dogs get up at the same time, that's gonna be insanity.
So
I mean, it'll only save us a few inches, but I think overall it's gonna be a big difference. So, yay, change of plans. Whoop whoop.
maybe.
And maybe. And this is why we did it this way, so we could make changes as needed.
Yep.
We are so behind schedule. Well, we'll see what happens today.
The middle door just opened.
Starting
Oh.
over. What?
It's been fun. We learned a lot. So far, we're only out about $1,200.
I'm way behind on the budgeting. I don't want to know.
We can't call it budgeting.
I'm way behind.
Record keeping at this point.
Way behind on the Excel spreadsheet. Just kidding.
I'm guessing
Google.
with the wheels and tires and everything, we're probably at around 33,000. Not including tools.
Okay. So empty. Ah. We are heading to get some wood. Wood.
Ours Cabaret. Here we go. I mean,
We are
Hardwood Industries.
heading to Sherwood to get wood, to get lumber for our
We're
walls.
for sure gonna get one in Sherwood.
And we're thinking about getting walnut for the counters. I don't know.
We'll take a look at it.
Chris wants dark ceilings, and the only way that I will agree to dark ceilings is if the
I want contrast.
counters match it. Decisions. Look at those curls. Hey yo, what is up?
I'm gonna be pretty.
Got our wood. Woo!
That's
$1,200 worth of wood. So now we're gonna go buy some tacos because what's
morning.
another 50 bucks, right?
What kind of $50 tacos are you buying?
The kind that come with margaritas. It's 5 o'clock somewhere. I did cut him off when he said 11:30. It's like, no one needs to know. According to this video, it's 4:37. Brussels sprouts. It's our thing. Yeah.
What'd you say?
I said Brussels sprouts, it's our thing.
That's true.
We should just travel the country looking for Brussels sprouts. You're like, no.
I think it's funny that like the food that you hated as a kid is like the most enjoyable food as an adult.
Yep.
Although,
As long as it's deep fried or grilled and with a ton of balsamic glaze and oil.
sorry, Mom. Boiling Brussels sprouts was awful.
Oh my gosh, did all moms do that?
Yep.
My mom did that too. Please don't ever boil your Brussels sprouts ever again. And some sanding done today because we're putting together the drawers. We were supposed to do a lot more, but we woke up to snow yesterday. Hurts so much. Little baby hands are not good for Sandy.
Sounds like they did a good job.
Yeah, I can't feel them right now.
There's gotta be nothing flattering about this thing.
And that's why it's the best.
I should get an angle of you
No, you
trying
have
to take this shot with your squat going.
So why are you putting this drawer first before you build the other ones?
So I can make sure that one fits before I spend all the time building the others.
Oh, okay. Guess that makes sense.
Yeah, we're golden.
You're gonna miss our plastic drawers. Not really. You're wondering how much of a perfectionist Chris is. No one would have seen that. But it must be gone.
It's gotta be a better way. None of these lines are straight except for the front. So you can't just lay down a straight edge. And scissors give you those little zigzag lines, so just slow and trying to be steady. Flip up the carpet on the edge there. On the back up. So now on the front. Oh shit! Maybe I will have to bring it out because I didn't poke the holes in the bottom. And it's not above the shelf on this side. Poor form. Jeez, babe. You had one job. This light. This is gonna be basically the bottom thing on the top. That's not right there. Believe it. I will hand myself the blue tape measure.
But yeah, this is basically what we've been doing since February, January, December. Fun stuff. And right now Chris is replacing
I'm gonna do
all
the
of the boards, but we'll make a video on that later. Pretty much just going to start making shorter videos with what we are getting done instead of trying to gather all the videos on one section or one thing that we're completing.
project.
Yep. One project, thank you. Words are hard. Words are, you know, words have always been hard for me.
You can see that there's no one project that's getting done.
Yeah.
So it's-
Oh, and big update, obviously. All the curls are gone. He's back to his summer haircut. Sad. Hopefully from here on, help. Hopefully from now on, we'll have shorter videos and more frequent. What? What? What?
We're not making shorter videos like that.
You haven't talked enough. I need some ums to edit out. Thank you.
What are you doing in here?
Thank you for watching and subscribe to keep up with the chaos. More chaos coming soon.
More chaos coming soon.